Minoxidil for beard growth. Is it possible to use minoxidil for beard growth? In the pictures in the next frame, you can see my results from using minoxidil for beard before and after. There is only 3 months between the pictures. And as you can see, the difference is very big. How to use minoxidil for your beard? If you are wondering how to apply minoxidil for your beard, it is very simple. First of all, you will have to pick the best minoxidil for it. The minoxidil I have been using is the foam minoxidil. You can find the link in my account. I have applied it to my beard 2 times per day. Once in the morning and once in the evening. You can read on the box of the product what the daily recommended dose is and follow that. I have been applying minoxidil to my hair and beard, so I split the amount even between the areas of application. The best minoxidil for beard. Among the various forms of minoxidil available, the foam version stands out as the optimal choice for fostering beard growth. Why, you ask? The foam formulation of minoxidil has several distinct advantages over oral alternatives. Here's why foam takes the crown. Targeted application. Minoxidil foam enables precise application directly to the beard area, ensuring maximum absorption and effectiveness. This targeted approach is crucial for directing the growth-enhancing properties exactly where they're needed most. Less systemic impact. Unlike oral minoxidil, which can affect the entire body, the foam version primarily affects the treated area. This means fewer potential systemic side effects while still reaping the rewards of enhanced beard growth. Minimal disruption to routine. Incorporating minoxidil foam into your daily grooming regimen is seamless and hassle-free. The quick-drying formula doesn't leave behind residue, allowing you to continue your routine with ease. Reduced risk of adverse effects. Oral minoxidil can lead to a range of systemic side effects, such as low blood pressure and rapid heart rate. Minoxidil foam, on the other hand, reduces the risk of such complications due to its localized application. Keep in mind that foam minoxidil can have side effects too. So, when using minoxidil for beard growth, the foam emerges as the superior choice in my opinion, since it is offering targeted, effective, and safer results. Minoxidil for beard side effects. There are side effects to consider using minoxidil. Even though it is an over-the-counter medicine in most countries, there are, as with most medicines, side effects that can occur. Personally, after using it every day for 3+ months now for both my hair and beard, the only side effect I have noticed was the first days when my cheeks got a little irritated. Side effects are always individual, but here are some that can happen. How it is not often at all. Skin irritation. One of the most common side effects of using minoxidil on the beard area is skin irritation. This can manifest as redness, itching, dryness, or flaking. It's recommended to perform a patch test before widespread use to gauge your skin sensitivity. Unwanted hair growth. Minoxidil can sometimes lead to hair growth in unintended areas due to its vasodilating effects. While this might be desirable for the beard area, it could result in unwanted hair growth on other parts of the face or body. So just be precise when applying it. Nothing will grow over a day, so just make sure you don't keep applying minoxidil to areas where you don't want hair day in and day out. Acne and breakouts. Some individuals may experience an increase in acne or breakouts when using minoxidil on the beard area. This is often attributed to the increased oil production that can occur as a result of the treatment. Heart-related issues. Rare, although very rare, there have been cases of systemic absorption of minoxidil leading to heart-related issues like rapid heart rate and low blood pressure. This is more commonly associated with oral minoxidil, but it's important to be aware of the possibility, especially when using higher doses or if you have pre-existing heart conditions. Allergic reactions. In rare instances, users might develop an allergic reaction to minoxidil, characterized by swelling, hives, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any allergic symptoms, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. Dermatitis or eczema. Individuals with sensitive skin or a history of dermatitis or eczema may be at a higher risk of experiencing flare-ups or exacerbation of these conditions when using minoxidil. To minimize the risk of these side effects, it's crucial to follow the recommended application guidelines, and if you are unsure, consult with a healthcare professional before starting minoxidil treatment. They can help determine if minoxidil is suitable for you and provide guidance on its proper use. Additionally, keeping the treated area clean, moisturized, and well-maintained can help mitigate potential irritations and side effects. In your journey for a more robust beard, Being well informed about the potential side effects of minoxidil empowers you to make an educated decision about its usage and ensures you take the necessary steps to achieve the best possible results while minimizing any adverse effects. Should I use minoxidil for beard? Hopefully this video made this question easier for you to answer. Just think about how much you want a beard in relation to the other factors. Harsh side effects are very rare, so I wouldn't worry about them too much. It is just good to be aware of them if something do happen. As I mentioned, I have been using minoxidil for beard growth for over 3 months now with nothing but very good results. Just pick the best minoxidil for beard growth in mind and use it properly. Alternatives to minoxidil for beard. There are definitely different alternatives to minoxidil for beard growth. Something I have been using is a derma roller. The derma roller helps to increase blood flow and in that way, promote hair growth. You can also consider growth serums and oils to try and enhance your beard growth. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.